Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Ticketmaster pardon the interruption bot. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So there are different causes for this reason or problem to occur. So what you can do is first check to see if you are connected to the stronger Wi-Fi connection or internet connection. Sometimes the weaker internet connection is also the main problem or main cause of the problem that might be fixed simply by switching it to the stronger Wi-Fi connection. But if that doesn't work, then what you can do is simply head over to your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you do that, tap on the search bar and type in Ticketmaster. And once you do that, tap on the Ticketmaster app and then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.